Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with my November KraftTex Ambassador project. And for November, the color is Tangerine Tango. So it's a lovely orange color, perfect for a fall journal cover. So that's what I'm going to do today. I always like to show you kind of their if I can get this apart here, show you some of the projects that others have done with it. Bags and little wallet things, and look at these cute Halloween bags too. So anyway, we're going to do an autumn journal cover, and so let's get things set aside here so that we can get to everything we need to get to do this. Okay, so first thing I think I want to do is I want to go around the edges with the leaf stitch, because be perfect for an autumn journal. So let's get the sewing machine over here, and as always, I start at the back cover just in case something goes awry. Then I have a chance to tear it out, and it's not going to affect the rest of my journal as much. So I start at the lower back corner. So off we go with our leaf stitch. I've got brown thread in the machine, and so I think it's going to show up beautifully. Turn the corner here. More. Okay. All right. So the sewing is completed. Keep in mind when watching my videos that I do everything in real time, so you can always fast forward through things like the sewing. Although it's been fun because there's a lot of people that have said It's a comforting sound to them. It reminds them of their moms sewing away. I think that's really fun. I am just tying the I'm tying the loose threads in a knot. I didn't want to do a reverse stitch because of the pattern. So I'm just tying a double knot in each before I clip them off. Okay, there we go. Yeah, real time with this girl. It's what you get. Okay, so yes, that is perfect. Okay, the next thing I think I'm going to do is I am going to put this down the spine. I'm going to go ahead and clip those a little bit. And just kind of do it in half. I think I want it under my focal point, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on now. So we'll use a little Fabri-Tac, and I think I'm going to try and get the whole thing glued right up front here. So I have some bad news and some good news on the KraftTex ambassador thing. So the bad news is they are doing away with the program, and the good news is they're starting a different one. and so I still will have KraftTex products to be able to show you all. I know so many of you have told me how much you've appreciated knowing more about this amazing product. It really is amazing. I mean, it's fabric and paper all in one. It does whatever those two things will do. It does. So I'm going to try and line that up pretty straightly. We'll see. We'll see how we do. Not too bad, not too shabby. Okay, so I'm just gluing that on. That's going to give the spine a little decoration. It doesn't need strengthening because the KraftTex on its own does that. Okay, then my next utilitarian sort of thing that I need to do is I want to put Tim Holtz book corners on this book. So we're going to do that here before we get going too much on the front. And I use Fabri-Tac for this too. You can use tacky glue if you want to. Just whatever you have that is a good strong glue. So I put them on, and then I squish them down with my thumb, and then squish them down with a needle nose plier so that they're really clamped down, and then the Fabri-Tac will hold them down too. So I know many of you have seen me do this 100 times, but part of the process, if you want this look on your journal, and I do, you know, there's something to be said for, I mean, if you left this, it would kind of, you know, get softer and everything with use, but I do like having the corners protected like that. So anyway, yeah, so I'm excited to see what this will be like come, I don't know, January or so, when the new KraftTex stuff comes out, the publicity packets or whatever they're calling them now. It's not the ambassadors like before, but anyway, it'll be fun to see. So next month will be my last KraftTex ambassador video, and then we'll just see what comes from there. Oop. Okay. So it only takes a minute, but I sure think it enhances the look of the cover. I don't know, you can't see it super well with the mat, but okay. So now what we're going to do, I have this lovely pocket. This is from Journal Me Crazy on Etsy. Her name is Candace, and she had, I don't know in her shop if she still does, but she had a lot of autumn sort of loaded pockets. So as you can see, this is a little, it's a piece of scrapbooking paper, and then another, and then some cardstock that she's embossed with a autumn sort of a theme, and then layered a little bit and put some lace sewn around it. These are real simple pockets to make. I think I have many videos on triple pockets, because this was my make and take project for Creativation last year. So anyway, mine were a little different in that they look like tags. But I was going through my autumn stuff, and I thought this would be fun for on the top, on the cover of a journal. And I thought, why make one when I have this beautiful one from Candace at Journal Me Crazy? So we'll put these back in. The only thing I decided I would like is, I'm going to put this right like this on the cover. The only thing I decided I'd like, I had this little orange flower, and I thought I would put it right there, right somewhere where I decide I think I like it better there because it's not so close to the cover. So we'll put that on, and then actually I'm going to take out all the tags while I glue this on. But I think we can glue this on first and it'll be fine. So how easy is that for a fun little autumn journal? So let's take these out for the moment. And then I'm just gonna, once again, use Fabri-Tac. I find that Fabri-Tac works great on KraftTex. It really does. Okay. Go ahead and give it a bit so that it stays put where I want it to. Okay. And then I'm going to just kind of center it and press that down for a minute. And so there we go. Just like that, we've got a fall journal cover. As you know from watching my channel, I am really done with my autumn already. I'm on to Christmas. I've been for a while. So I'm just going to set this aside and save it for next year. And I love having journal covers made ahead. Journal covers and the ephemera to go in journals. It's so awesome to have them all ready to go, because then, I mean, you put in your pages and, and decorate and you're done. So you've kind of done it in stages. I love this. I love this little fringy there. So that feels pretty solidly on there. So put these cute things in. And isn't that a cute little cover? I love that. I love that. Thank you so much, Candace, for this pocket, because it's just perfect. I think it's really fun to have a pocket on the front of your journals. So I hope that you enjoyed making that with me. It was fun for me. So we will just see you in the next video. Thanks to CT Publishing for the opportunity to be a KraftTex ambassador. I've truly enjoyed, I mean, I love the KraftTex. You guys know that. So it's been super fun to be able to have different projects with the different colors and show and bring you guys all along. So there we go. There is November's KraftTex Ambassador Project. Thanks everybody. Have a grateful day and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.